Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set home screen wallpaper on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can click here display. Just move on display. After you have been move on display, scroll little bit and here you are going to find the wallpaper option. So move on wallpaper, then after that here you can click here any photos. Okay, from here you are able to see, not photos, many wallpapers. Okay, so select from here any wallpaper that you are comfortable or desirable. Okay, so here is the tick option. Just click on this tick option. So when you click on this tick option, it came three option, right? The first option is the home screen, and the second is lock screen, and the third is home screen and lock screen. So you can select from here any, but if you want to set for home screen, you just click here on home screen and this wallpaper will be successfully set on your home screen. Okay, just need to click on home screen. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.